Does your contact form have a file upload field? Whether you're accepting images, PDFs, video files, or whatever, allowing users to upload files directly through your contact forms can be incredibly useful. It can also be incredibly risky. If you're not careful, you could be giving strangers the perfect opportunity to send malware, gain unauthorized access, expose server vulnerabilities, and more without even realizing it. It would be like inviting somebody to your house and not realizing they're a vampire. So if you want to avoid a disaster, you'll definitely want to make sure you take some precautions before you start accepting any uploaded files. I'm Daisy with WPForms, and in this video, we're going to go over the top security tips you need to know before you start accepting uploaded files through your contact forms. Before we get started, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up with all of our latest tips and tricks for WordPress. Number 1 on our list is restrict certain file types. If you're allowing users to upload files through your contact forms, chances are it's probably for a specific reason. And if it is, chances are you're probably looking for a specific file type. Restricting uploads to only formats that are necessary and formats that you've decided are safe will help minimize security risks. Excluding file types like .php, .js, and especially .exe will help prevent malicious files from wreaking havoc on your site and especially your computer if you open the files locally. If you're using WPForms, for example, you can specify what file types you'll allow to be uploaded through your contact form. Number 2 on our list is set file size limit. When you're accepting files from your users, you'll want to make sure that you set a file size limit. Otherwise, you're gonna get submissions with gigantic files that are either going to take you forever to download, or they're gonna slow your website down. Even scarier, getting a huge file like that might actually be an attempt at exploiting your server's resources, so you'll want to make sure that you only accept files that are within a reasonable size. If you're wondering what you should set the limit to, a good rule of thumb is to set a file size limit that accommodates your needs without allowing excessive uploads. So for example, image uploads for a contact form might be capped at 2 megabytes, while document submissions for a job application could allow for up to 5 megabytes. Number 3 on our list is scan uploaded files for malware. Some folks out there will really stop at nothing to try and cause problems. You might receive an innocent-looking JPEG through your contact form, but what you don't see is that it could potentially contain embedded malicious code. If you don't scan these files as they come in, you could find yourself in a world of hurt. To protect yourself and your site, use a WordPress security plugin that offers malware scanning capabilities. Store uploaded files in a quarantine folder and scan them before making them accessible. And consider integrating third-party services to automatically scan uploaded files. Some web hosts do offer malware scanning tools that you can schedule to run periodically and catch any threats before they become a problem, so definitely look into your web host to see if there's any tools they can provide. Number 4 on our list is secure file storage and access. It might be tempting to just store your files on your site, but it would be a good idea to look for any options so you can store your files off-site. Dropbox and Google Drive are 2 great options that you can connect to your forms to automatically send uploaded files each time a user fills out and submits a form on your site. Using an external storage site will not only save you on server space, but it'll also help reduce security risks as well. Number 5 on our list is grant access and require passwords. If multiple people have access to your site, it's natural to limit who has access to what, and that should include any files that your customers upload. This is especially true if those files might contain any sensitive information. When using WPForms, you can enable file access restrictions and select which users have access to uploaded files, and even add password protection so that a password will be required to access it. Simple measures like this will not only protect your site, but protect your users' important information as well. Number 6 is enable HTTPS for secure file transfers. Okay, so far we've only talked about the uploaded files themselves, but now let's quickly talk about your website. You'll want to make sure that your website is using SSL HTTPS encryption to protect the uploaded files from being intercepted by attackers. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. SSL is a security protocol that provides encryption and authentication for internet communications. mainly to secure connections between a web browser and a web server. HTTPS is the combination of SSL and HTTP. HTTP is the protocol that moves data across the world and does so in plain text, but this protocol isn't secured via encryption, so anyone could read it. When HTTPS is enabled, all file uploads and downloads are encrypted. If it isn't enabled, then your site might be flagged as not secure, which your users might not be comfortable with. To check if your site has SSL enabled, look for the padlock symbol in your browser's address bar. If you don't see it, you may need to install an SSL certificate through your hosting provider. Number 7 on our list is regularly audit and delete unnecessary files. A web server can end up a lot like an old closet or a garage, full of stuff you never use, look at, or much less think about. You might even forget you have it. So it's always a good idea to look through what you do have, and if you don't need it anymore, clean house. Make sure you audit your files for any security threats and delete any outdated or unnecessary files to keep your site clean and secure. Accepting uploaded files can make life easier for everybody, but it's super important to take precautions to make sure that everyone has the best experience possible. Let us know in the comments which tip you found to be the most helpful, or if you have a hidden trick that you like to use that you didn't see here. I'm Daisy with WPForms. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.